おはようございます。シュラフ石田です。今回から台湾編がスタートします。日本は寒いからね。記念すべき初日に泊めてくれた方は台湾人ではなくマレーシア人。You は何しに台湾へ。詳しく話を聞いてきました。ということで早速どうぞ。2024年1月18日台北シーメンにやってきました。4年ぶりの台湾です。あったかいです。今日はこちらでお家を探していきたいと思います。よいしょ。シーメンの皆さんよろしくお願いします。OK? OK, thank you.
I am Edward.
I don't have dinner, not enough, so
I bring you to eat.
Okay. Already you take dinner?
But I bring you to eat.
Oh, thank you.
I bring you to eat the local Taiwan food. Very delicious. 排骨饭.
排骨飯.
Yeah.
You are students?
No, I'm working.
Working?
Yeah.
What job? Hotel.
Yeah, I'm working.
Hotel man.
Front desk.
You from Malaysia?
Yeah.
You come to
Taiwan.
University?
And
You
then
go?
I work here.
Oh, university? You learn Chinese?
No, I learn mass communication.
Oh.
And my master is I learn tourism. My Chinese is I learn in Malaysia. My junior and senior in Malaysia in Chinese is Chinese school. So I can speak Chinese. This one very very famous.
Very very famous.
前面等一下啊，前面冰箱等一下。
How years you live in Taiwan? 12 years?
Yeah.
Oh, very long. 17歳の時から来て、12年間。Your house and your working area very far, I think.
Yeah, very far.
Why you?
My friend recommend me stay there. Cheap, very cheap.
Very very cheap.
Tomorrow,
tomorrow
I
you
go to work
work.
7 a.m. You can stay. Don't worry.
Oh, thank you.
It's very famous.
思います。排骨飯。
Okay?
うまい。Finish. Yes, very delicious.
Do you try before this one?
How taste this? Taiwan sweets.
Yeah, Taiwan sweet. Okay?
Busy hotel.
Busy.
Busy.
Very busy. Tired, very tired. I have to work one day, 12 hours. So tomorrow 7 I go to my company, my hotel. I will come back 9.
9?
Yeah.
Every day?
Every day. Today off. Today I'm off. So
today
I go
off ね。You enjoy holiday.
Yeah, I go to see movie today. 1 hour and I go to eat having
have a dinner. You live in Taiwan eternal? You come back Malaysia?
Last 2 years, I quit my job. I go back to Malaysia and stay 1 year. And last year, I come back to Taiwan and I work again.
So now it's visa is working visa?
No, I take PR.
永住権ね。
Because I stay in Taiwan many years, Last 2 years, I have a chance to apply this one.
Ah,
PR.
very
So
sure.
now I'm in Taiwan. I don't need any visa.
ああ、it's okay ね。
No lah, just lucky.
ラッキー。
You want go back home or you want to go to market first, later go back home? Up to you. You want to go to
Up
market
to me ね。
and go
Okay.
home or go home directly?
どうしようかな。OK, go home.
Because you arrived today, tired. If you are tired, we can go home. So we can go home.
ちょっと wait. ちょっと待って。そう、ちょっとスイカ出そうとしちゃった。いや、ルーム。セカンドフロアベッド。
This one is for you. This one is mine.
OK.
Okay.
Upside.
Yeah.
Me.
Very small.
How long live this house?
4 months.
4 months?
Yeah, 4 months.
It's good?
No.
No?
But cheap.
But cheap. You want to live another house?
But this year I will live here because very cheap.
Oh.
Yeah, Taipei rent
Yes,
is very expensive.
Taipei is expensive.
So yeah, so I live here.
How much this house 1 month?
Actually, this is my junior rooms. They move out, live with his girlfriend. So this room my friend give me stay here. Yeah, so very cheap. Very cheap. Last year I come back Taiwan and I find job. So I don't have place to stay. So I stay here. And later I find a job. But I not move up here because here very cheap. So I live 4 months already.
Now you say very cheap. This cost another place nothing. 1,000 Taiwan dollar. You say
1 month. Cheap.
crazy.
Yeah, but if I move out,
ゼロ
at
すごいな、5000円しないんだ。Before you say you have a holiday 1 month 12.
12. Yeah. But now, start from this month, I have the part-time job. I only got 5 days.
1 month?
Yeah.
7 days you go to part-time job?
Yeah, part-time job. Very tired. Part-time job is 8 hours.
8 hours?
My original job is 12 hours. 12 hours. Very tired.
いや、オーバーワーク。オーバーワーク。
It's okay.
So save money and you buy a house in Malaysia. Malaysia you buy a house, but Taiwan you don't buy house.
Taiwan house very expensive.
Expensive.
I cannot buy too expensive.
In Taipei?
Other
Not
also
other
expensive.
place. 2028 your house is complete.
Yeah. But the house I won't live there. I just rent for other
I
place.
rent every month money.
A little bit. A little bit.
Tomorrow you wake up 7 o'clock.
6:15.
6:15 o'clock.
10 minutes, 7 I will go out.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
10 minutes after you go?
Yeah, very fast.
はい、ということでこんばんは。エドワードさんのお宅で一晩お世話になります。ありがとうございました。ゴローン。行こう。なんと登録者数が1000人を超えました。めでたいですね。ありがとうございます。こんな感じで旅をしながら毎週日曜日に動画を上げてるんで、ぜひ来週も見てくださいね。ありがとうございました。バイバーイ。